Hi friends, it's Mrs. McClure, and today we are going to read one of our Origo big books. I'm going to read the book to you, and we're going to be talking about matching the digit to the number word and to the representation. So we're going to practice reading number words, the digit, and building representations. And so to start that off, we're going to read a book called Paint a Rainbow. What do you know about rainbows? Rainbows are made up of different colors, right? We have red, and then we have orange, and then we have yellow, and then we have green, and then we have blue, and then we have an indigo color, which is kind of like an in-between blue and purple, and then we have purple. Okay, the author is James Burnett and Calvin Ironis. Okay, those are our authors and our illustrator. So this is a book about numbers 1 to 7. Good. We're going to read Paint a Rainbow. See it? It says, 7 colors in the sky make a rainbow way up high. How many colors does it take to make a rainbow? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got to figure out which number comes first, or which color comes first. Red is the first color in my rainbow. I'll paint more colors and watch it grow. So what's the first color? The color red. How many more colors do we need to paint? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more colors. What color do you think is going to come next after red? Maybe the color orange? Let's see. Orange is the second color in my rainbow. I'll paint more colors and watch it grow. Wow, look at all that orange. So how many colors do we have painted so far? 1, 2. How many more colors do we need to paint? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after orange? Maybe the color yellow? Yellow is the third color in my rainbow. I'll paint more colors and watch it grow. So we've got red, orange, yellow. So how many do we have painted? 1, 2, 3. Very good. How many more do we need to paint? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's going to come after yellow? Let's find out. The color green.
Everyone, be sure you check your boxes. You've got something in there waiting for you.
Green is the fourth color in my rainbow. I'll paint more colors and watch it grow. So what's the fourth color? The color green. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many colors have we painted? 4. How many more do we need? 1, 2, 3. And this is the fourth color. So what is the fifth color going to be? The color blue. Blue is the fifth color in my rainbow. I'll paint more colors and watch it grow. So how many colors have we painted? 5 colors. How many more do we need? 1, 2. Because there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Let's see. Indigo is the sixth color in my rainbow. I'll paint more colors and watch it grow. So here's the indigo color right here. And it's the sixth color, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many more do we need to get to 7? 1 more. So what do you think the last final color in our rainbow is going to be? The color purple or violet. This is actually called violet. It's a type of purple. Violet is the last color in my rainbow. Now it is almost finished. I have to go. So how many colors can we count in our rainbow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what color came first? The red. And then what came second? Yeah, the orange. And then what came third? Yellow. Fourth, green. Fifth, blue. Sixth, indigo. And seventh is violet. The end. Right, so we've been talking about representing numbers, right? And last week we made a number book just showing the name of the number, right? The word for the number, the digit, and then the representation of a number, right? Okay, so we're just going to continue working on representing, and we can represent by reading the number name or looking at the digit or looking at the group or set. So I have a game here, and what we're going to do is we're going to flip a card, and we're going to try to practice reading and then representing it. So here, right here, if you see, I'm going to move my over here. There we go. If you see that this word right here, this is one of our words. This is the word 0 for the digit 0, the name of the number, right? 0. So if I wanted to show 0 in my paint a rainbow, my desert here, or my Alaskan wintry tundra, how would I do that? I've got all these animals here, and I'm going to use them to represent the number. But 0, what does 0 mean? 0 means nothing, right? So would I put anything here? No. Let's try another one. All right, so here's another word. What do you think this word is? This is the word for 5, the number 5. Okay, so how could I represent the number 5? I can show that number by putting 5 polar bears, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be reading the number word, looking at the number as well, and then drawing a picture to represent it. So let's try another one. We're going to refresh. And let's try another number. What number word is this? 6. This is 6. So how could I represent the number 6? By putting 6 pictures of something, right? So I'm going to pick penguins, 6 penguins. So count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we just represented 6, and we read the number and we represented it. Good. Now we're going to reset, and let's do another one. The number 4. This is the word for the number 4. So how could I represent 4? How many would I put? 4, right? So I'm going to put 4 walruses. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I could also write the number 4 right here. So I have the number, the word, the digit, the word, and the representation. Let's try it again. Oops. Here's my hand tool. All right, here's another number. This is the number 2. So how would I represent the number 2? Well, first, I could write the number. I remember 2 looks like this, right? And then I could represent the number, and I'm going to do 2 puppies, 2 huskies. 1, 2. And I've got the word, I've got the number, and I've got the representation here. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today, and I'm going to show you what yours is going to look like. All right, so this is what we're going to do today, is we are going to be matching the word, the representation, and the digit or the number, right? Okay, so for example, I have a word here, a number word, and I'm going to get my pen tool and I'm going to do purple. Okay, so this is the number. If we're not sure what this word is, we can look at the number over here or count how many there are. Okay, so we're going to match number names, pictures, and numerals. So we're going to complete the missing pieces. So if you're not sure what this is, we can count. So I'm going to come here and trace this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number word is this? If we're matching, this is like a puzzle. So if we have 7 circles here, what number is this? The number 7. So we would trace it. We're going to write 7. And since I'm using my computer, I'm not the best at tracing with my mouse on my computer, but I'll try the best that I can. And then we would write the number, okay? And let's look at the next one. What is this number right here? The number 5. And this is a missing box. So we have to put the representation. So what will we put here? Probably 5 circles. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5. And then we would write the word. This is how we write the word 5. So we would trace it. Okay? So you're going to do the same activity for all of these other ones on your own, and when we meet for Google Meets, we're going to go over it and see what you remember or what you put for these other numbers, okay? All right, so I will see you guys later. Good job.